All right, here's a question. You have three solutions, but they say how many moles of ions does solution number 2 contain? So I don't care about this one or this one, just number 2. So this is ammonium sulfate. So ammonium sulfate looks like this. And if you dump it in water, it'll dissolve into ammonium ions or dissociate into ammonium ions and sulfate ions. They'll be aqueous, I think, off the chart. And then to balance it, I think I need a 2 there. So one of these will produce 2 of these and 1 of those. So now they say I have that many milliliters of that concentration. So I can use this formula here to determine how many moles I have. Let me move that down a little bit. So this formula, N over V, and I want to solve for N. So if I manipulate this, this will be N is equal to C times V. The concentration is 3 moles per liter. And the volume is 0.0696 liters. Liters cancel, so let me multiply that out. Decimals. So 3 times 0.0696. So that comes to 0.2088 moles. And that is moles of ammonium sulfate. So that number is this one, 0.2088 moles of that. So if I want to figure out the moles of this, it's going to be double, and this will be the same. So I can do it this way, to write down what you have, 2088 moles of ammonium sulfate times the mole ratio, where you put what you want. Here is 2 moles of NH4 come from 1 mole of NH4 to SO4. So this cancels, and I'm left with 0.4176 moles of ammonium ions. Okay, so this one I have 0.4176 moles. And sulfate, since this is 1 to 1, it'll be the same number, 0.2088 moles. And they say, what's the total? How many moles of ions does it have? So I've got to add up this one and this one. So if I have 0.4176 plus 0.2088, 14, 16, 26, 0.626, 3 sig figs. So I'd say your total number of ions will be 0.626 moles, right there. Okay, hopefully that helps you out. It looks like if you answered this one, that's the number of moles of ammonium sulfate, but they wanted to know the total number of moles of ions. And the ions are this one and that one.